on. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to build some shit. Alright, some cool shit. I know, like, hey, that's some alright shit, not some cool shit. Show your buddies, they'll be like, damn, that's cool. Alright, anyway. Alright, what you gonna want to do first? First thing you want to do, very first, take your water bottle. Alright, crack that bad boy open. If you got that kind of money, you can use the Fiji or whatever. Alright, Walmart. Alright, crack it open. Take your swig. Because you got to stay hydrated. I mean, come on. Everybody knows that. Alright, now. Shit, I forgot what I was going to teach y'all to build. Oh. Alright, I got you now. I come up with something. Alright, first, alrighty then. Anyway, if we can get back to business, I'm gonna teach y'all how to build some cool shit. What you're gonna need is one cut up saw blade. Alright, 10-inch saw blade, hacked up. Alright, gonna need you a can of good old reliable, with or without a little straw, don't really matter to me. Something just stabbed me in my finger, son of a bitch. Ow! Alright, you get a little shake like this. You're gonna spray your saw blade, like so. Alright. I'm gonna take old bent ass framing hammer and beat it a couple times. Now you let that sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna show you the finished product. There you go. Look at that. Done. About 20 minutes wait time. Boom. Granddaddy can walk again. That's what I'm talking about. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Alright, thank you.